How can I check the remaining balance of my unredeemed Amazon gift card?
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common question. How can you check the remaining balance on your unredeemed Amazon gift card? Whether you've forgotten the amount or simply want to confirm, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started.
Where do I start?
Starting this process is pretty simple. First, you need to be logged into your Amazon account. If you don't have one, create one by following the sign-up instructions on the Amazon homepage.
Where do I find the gift card section?
Once you're logged in, navigate to your account. Here, you will find a variety of options. Look for the one labeled Gift Cards and click on it.
How do I check the balance?
In the gift card section, you'll see an option labeled View Gift Card Balance. Clicking this option will reveal the total amount of all gift cards linked to your account. Now, this might get a bit tricky if you want to check the balance of an unredeemed gift card, because the balance won't appear here unless it's been redeemed to your account.
How can I check the balance of an unredeemed gift card?
In order to check the balance of an unredeemed gift card, you need to start the redemption process. 1. Find the option that says Redeem a Gift Card under the Gift Card section. 2. Enter your gift card's claim code into the box and click on Apply to your balance. Here's the important part. You will see a message showing the value of the gift card and asking you to confirm that you want to add the amount to your balance. This message will display the remaining balance on your gift card. If you don't want to redeem the card yet, simply navigate away from the page or close the window. Please note that once a gift card has been redeemed to an account, it can't be removed or transferred. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to check the balance of your unredeemed Amazon gift card. We hope this guide was helpful, and remember, if you have any more questions about using Amazon, feel free to explore our other videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.